Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coin Lady channel. Do you want to clarify this? Although I disagree with the SEC's approach to their Binance complaint, where they seemingly at random include Ada and Adam and make outlandish assertions about securities offerings, I'm not going to go to bat for Binance here and speak for their good name. This situation is only going to worsen, in my opinion. Yesterday, John Deaton predicted that a Department of Justice case will be added to this one. I was expecting the Department of Justice case to take center stage. Looking at the Binance lawsuit in detail, where they are seeking for asset freezes, repatriation of customer funds, bringing those back to the US for those US investors that own overseas, and also appointing a receivership, the bar is quite high for them to get that. Who are they to judge? What gives them hope that they'll be able to accomplish that at the upcoming injunction hearing? We may soon find out, though. Just the other day, I was commenting on how unexpected it was that the SEC would target both Binance and Coinbase at the same time. Perhaps they implied they were just interested in reaching a settlement with Coinbase, and that the action against Binance would not go any further. It could also indicate that they aren't interested in taking the lead in court. This Binance court case will ultimately be taken on by someone else. I can't say. This place could be empty, after all. Perhaps the holy crypto persona of maybe. But I wouldn't be surprised if we found out otherwise. Absolutely not. My major point is that you should brace yourself for chaos, because if something truly terrible is happening, it will affect not only Binance but the entire worldwide exchange. And that might lead to some problems. The leading cryptocurrency trading platform is being discussed. It's enormous, by any measure. We also can't presume that foreign trade is completely secure and unaffected by recent events. Things might turn ugly. The worst aspect is that it's another black eye for the crypto industry. They will probably just lump whatever is terrible therein with FTX and the rest of the disasters. It's a shame, but in the end, we'll have a much nicer place to live. The authorities need to pass by here and clean up a lot of garbage. I must emphasize that I disagree with the SEC's stance. Offering ludicrous guarantees in connection with security token sales and flinging around ADA tokens and Atom tokens. That's completely ridiculous in my book. This in no way implies that I endorse SEC or Binance. Regulators, have to act occasionally. The situation is very different with Coinbase now. Moreover, today we learned that their staking service will not be discontinued, as Brian Armstrong had previously assured the community. This gives me hope because my biggest worry has been whether or not they will simply review the complaint and delist the coins and end the staking. And it seems unlikely that they will repeat the mistakes made with XRP. That should alleviate some of the discomfort associated with this type of transaction. I don't care if businesses have to sue the Securities and Exchange Commission. Don't go messing with the secondary trade. Don't restrict secondary market trading of Atom, ADA, XRP, and other assets that deserve to be freely exchanged. Take it to court and argue the law there. The judge can issue a summary judgment, at which point the true application of the law will become clear. Nothing wrong with that. Let's go to war and see it through to the conclusion. Don't include the secondary market if you can help it. It's not about money at this point. According to Brian Armstrong. Look, staking services are a rather small part of the business. He further emphasized that, contrary to popular belief, this is not a bank run at Coinbase. To a person, they own assets. That's a given, of course. Anyway, he suggests to simply ask for your assets if you need them or want them. We brought them over to you. For various reasons, government freezes, hackers, theft, etc., I don't have faith in any exchange. They are making up their wealth. Since Coinbase undergoes extensive auditing and reporting, I have more faith in them than I do in other cryptocurrency exchanges and custodians. And it's simply more sophisticated than the typical rubbish you encounter. I am not advocating that you leave all of your money on Coinbase. Just because they are less risky than other investments doesn't imply you should make an investment in them. At least from what they're saying at this early point of the experiment, I'm glad to see that Coinbase is going to push back a little bit. We'll have to wait and see if that trend holds, or if they eventually give up. I can't say. However, it does serve as a fairly reliable precursor. The Binance issue is considerably more worrying to me at the moment. Is there anything else going on under the hood? I am totally in the dark about this. Perhaps, once more, he is operating a completely honest and pristine crypto exchange. We shall find out, but in the meantime, you should expect the unexpected in the following weeks. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Moreover, as usual. And if you like this video, then please hit that like button. And subscribe my channel for latest updates. See you in the next video, bye.